Let us go with the problem number 24. Why? The sum of two positive integers is 98. The integers are in the ratio 3:4. Find both the integers. So let us take the two integers is a, that is they have given the ratio is in 3:4. This is two integers. Let us consider, we don't know, let us consider the numbers be x, that is 3x is to 4x, and they have given that the sum of two positive integers, that is 3x plus 4x is equal to 98. So 7x is equal to 98. So therefore x is equal to 98 by 7. So if you simplify, x is equal to 7 ones are 7, then 2 remainder, 7 fours, x is equal to 14. Now substitute the value of x here. So 3 into 14, that is first number, 14 3s are 42. Second number, 4 into 14, how much? That is 56. Add it, 5 6 plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 4 is 9, 98 is coming. So the two numbers are, one is 42 and second one is 56. Hope you understood.